but you know what? There is some light at the end of the tunnel. I'm bringing some sunshine back, I can tell you that, because we're going to warm up by the middle of the week. I know. So we do have some warmer weather, but this morning we are under a 10 weather impact, just like yesterday, although the difference is yesterday was Sunday. Today, for many, we are heading back to work. Maybe you can work from home. I would highly recommend it. A lot of kids have delays or cancellations of school. But our weather impact this morning is going to be for those wind chills, or the feels like that, are going to be well below zero. So as we take a look at where our current temperatures are versus the wind chill, you can see the air temperature in many spots in the single digits, and hey, even below zero in places like Washington Courthouse, in Athens, and in the blue is where you see the actual feels like. So that's what our body is going to react to. It's going to stay like this for most of the morning. In fact, if I show you the wind chill forecast, really don't get above freezing until late morning into the early afternoon. And then even still, it's going to feel like we're in the single digits, although we are working a little bit more sunshine in the forecast today. Just like yesterday, that's not going to help as those winds start to pick up this afternoon. That feels like is going to be really suffering from that. So we just have that 10 weather impact for the first half of today. You can see as we go into the next couple of days, we just go up from here. But on Thursday, we do have a chance of rain. So I want to walk you through that right now to show you the current timing of this storm system, which can still change, by the way, as we go into the next couple of days. But I just want to give you an idea of what we're looking at. So Thursday morning, it's really not looking like we're going to have any rain just yet, which is good for our morning commute, which is great for the bus stop forecast. Now, for after school activities and for the commute home, you can see here 4:30, it does look like this front will start to come through. That would bring us some rain in the forecast, so that could have some heavier downpours at times as we go into the evening. But as you can kind of see the hint behind here, another big blast of cold air is going to move in, and that could kick up some flurries for us as we go overnight into Friday morning, although it does look like most of the moisture will be out of here as you're heading to work Friday morning. It's just going to get pretty cold for us again, and I'll show you that coming up in the 7-day. But everyone's been asking, is there a good chance for a white Christmas? Well, right now, as we look ahead at the 6 to 10-day temperature forecast, we've got above average temperatures coming in. I kind of wish we could switch this week for next week, right? So it feels a little bit more like the holidays. But this is kind of what we're looking at right now, foreseeing those temperatures staying above average for us, pretty far above average. Now for precipitation, though, that's kind of right at the line, so we could go either way. But it does look like if we have those temperatures staying above that freezing mark and on the warmer side, then this would be rain on Christmas instead of getting that snow. So again, we are keeping a close eye on that impact for us. It is just for the first half of today. We go above freezing tomorrow, or there will still be some wind, so that is going to impact us there. And then as we move into the next couple of days, you can see we do warm up really nicely on Thursday, but then temperatures crash again Friday. But it is short-lived. You can see we're back into the 40s by the weekend. Now, one of the things, I didn't get to mention it, but Bree's here to talk about it. We have to watch out for some black ice and icy conditions this morning. Those roads are solid.